Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat group not loading. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's proceed with our tutorial. And simply, there isn't much thing that you can do to solve this problem, but you will need to try many fixes and see which one that would work for your case, because there are many possibilities that might cause such problem. The first thing is your internet connectivity. So first, either you can go to your Snapchat and start refreshing through the snaps and see if your snaps are loading. And if your snaps are loading and you have only problem with groups, that means that there is nothing concerning your internet connectivity, and that means that you need to proceed to other type of fixes. After that, you will want to try clear the cache of Snap. So you will need just to hold tap on the application. After that, you go to the app info, and from there you will find storage. Go to clear cache and clear its cache, because sometimes there might be some uh, conflicts in the cache and that might cause the problem. And if your problem still persists, means that it's a bug in the application and you have two options. Either wait for an update or see if there is already an update that has been released. You can do that by going to your Play Store, search for Snapchat, and after that you will find update like here. You will need just to click on update and wait for the update to finish, and then you can start the app and you will have your problem that normally should be fixed. And if it wasn't an update, just try to reset your app by simply go to app info and uninstall the application. You will need just to click on uninstall, click OK, and then reinstall it, and that should solve your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.